Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add photos to your Fashionwave journal in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all guys, you need to equip the journal. Just go to your backpack and then you're going to select the journal, and then you can click on this pencil icon to edit the journal. And here you will be able to add photos and add stickers to your journal. I'm going to add photos. Okay, you can select this menu, select image, and choose the photo that you want to add to your journal. Okay, and click on confirm. And if you want to add sticker, you can click on the sticker option and choose the sticker that you like. Okay, done. And once you're done adding your photos and sticker to the journal, you can click on this menu. Okay guys, and that's how you can add photos to your Fashionwave journal in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.